everybody,
house.
and welcome to Bullethead House.
Bullethead's
I'm your girl,
house.
Melissa Benz, and we are here finally at Splash. They had a soft opening, but the opening's really today. They prepared a spread for us, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to taste all the great things, and we'll catch you on the flip side. I love you guys. Bye.
All right, welcome to Splash. Shout out to Bullethead's house. We're about to have an amazing meal, and we're about to take you on the ride of your life. Are you ready? Let's get it. How you doing? Make yourself at home. Thank you for being here. Y'all ready to get drunk? Yay!
Bullethead's house.
Ow. Ow.
There we go.
Ow. Ow.
There we go. That's love. That's what's up.
Love her.
That place is fire. You need
Oh,
to
yeah,
over
come
there.
on. Yes.
So please you come through.
Come to Splash.
Yes,
That's right,
we love it. Shout out to Bullethead House.
Easy.
Yes.
Thank you.
Gang, gang.
Yeah. That's what's up. Hey, there she go. There she go. There we go. Hold on. Yeah. I gotta get.
With the fabulous Valentino.
Come on.
This is the place to be in Vegas, y'all.
Come on.
My eyes are closed. You're cute in that one. You are. Okay. Let me open my eyes. I'm Asian. Okay.
Me too.
What's your name?
Bria.
Mason.
Splash. Shout out to Bullet Head.
Easy.
Wow, this is cool. Look at it. Thank you. Oh my god, it's so fancy and cute. I love that.
Miss Benz. There we go.
I'm ready. I can't wait.
Different ones.
Oh, this a po' boy, you said?
Yeah.
Oh, how cute.
Shrimp po' boy.
Shrimp po' boy.
What we got right here, man? Cauliflower?
And kimchi.
Chicken cauliflower? Thank you, man. For sure, man.
I'm sorry.
All right. Welcome back to Bullet Head's house. We are at Splash, 5900 West Flamingo. I got Melissa Benz with me. I got Miss Jade with me. And right now we have Po' Boys. Authentic, straight from New Orleans style. We got, what else we have?
Sticky cauliflower and kimchi rice.
Sticky cauliflower and kimchi rice. And we also got some jumbo shrimp right here, man. We'll let you know what it tastes like, man. You already see what it looks like. Bullet Head's house, check us out. Let's go.
I'm excited.
Let's go.
Let's do. Oh my god.
I want to get that first bite on camera.
How big the shrimp is, right? Okay. I got a double handed.
Hello?
Oh my god.
Hello?
It's so good.
Hello?
Look. Y'all see the juice in that? It's very flavorful. It reminds me of kind of like kung pao in a way.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. Oh, what do we have, Valentino?
Alrighty, so this is gonna be our grilled Caesar salad. Absolutely amazing. You're gonna get grape tomatoes, little crostinis on top, homemade ranch, and then you guys get a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Period. Gang gang.
It's crispy and it's sweet
and it's a little bit spicy. It's so good.
There we go.
These things were fire. Crunch wraps.
Say, bruh. How the wings, man?
Oh, wait.
Hold on, man.
Say me none, huh?
No, I did. I showed you the
Say one. No, you can have it.
No,
Go ahead.
I just ate the second one. This is yours.
No, go ahead. You say Splash is what?
Splash is about to be one of the biggest splashes you've ever seen. I mean,
Right.
we're literally about to shake the ground. Our food is absolutely amazing. We got beautiful women that come here. Our employees are some of the best people in the world. So I'm so happy to have you in the building today, and we are about to shake the tables today for you. Okay?
Much love.
Appreciate you being here, though, boss.
Let's go.
You're a legend. We appreciate you.
Easy.
So this right here is going to be our triple berry barbecue chicken. Absolutely amazing. As you can see, you get 3 pieces of chicken, you get homemade mashed potatoes, and you get green beans. Everything is seasoned to perfection, and when you taste it, you're gonna know why we call this Splash. Hey. All right, so this is one of my favorite dishes. The reason why it's one of my favorite dishes is because this is a vegan spaghetti. Yes, vegan spaghetti. So inside of it, you're gonna get all the veggies under the sun. You're gonna get the noodles that are cooked to perfection. You also get Beyond Meat. So you are going to get that flavor, very seasons, very Cajun, New Orleans, down, okay? This is our vegan spaghetti. Crostini's on the side. Amazing for my vegans, okay? You guys have to come check it out, okay?
Let's go.
So good. That is so good.
So good.
What are you tasting when you? What's the flavors?
There's garlic, and it's got that Beyond Meat. It's really good.
That's really good. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I really like the char on here. And it's juicy. This reminds me of a barbecue on a summer day.
Really?
Fresh homemade mashed potatoes. It is so good. It is moist. It's hard to keep
There we go.
chicken moist. So it's so good. Have to try it.
All right,
I
let's
love
go.
it. Oh, thank you.
That's my favorite part.
Gotta get in.
Taste the berries.
Oh, I'm pretty.
It's triple berry chicken. It's triple berry.
Oh, triple berry.
It's triple berry.
It's triple berry chicken. You can taste the berry flavor in it. You can taste it. It's delicious.
You know what? It tastes like grandma's potato. And look, the
Yeah.
red potato.
That's the real.
What do you guys know about the red potato?
Right. That's the real joint. Yeah.
Extra shout out to Bullet Head's house.
Easy. Back to Bullet Head's house. I'm your host, Bullet Head. I'm here with Valentino.
Gang, gang.
5900 West Flamingo at
Yes.
Splash.
Yes.
How's the food?
Amazing. The flavors are outstanding, and I would definitely come back. You guys seen the pictures. Top quality.
How was the vegan food?
So good.
You like the vegan food? Okay.
Top
okay.
quality vegan food.
Yes, 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 yes. I want to say thank you so much for coming to the show. I mean, I appreciate you showing love to Splash. Anytime you want to come back anytime. You are family now. You guys make sure y'all pull up, get that VIP experience. My name is Valentino Carter. You can check me out on Instagram, Valentino Carter. Hit Splash up as well, Splash Bar LV. And y'all, we just had a great time. I'm glad y'all here. Thank you. Come back and see me anytime. You're family. Come back.
House, y'all heard
Thank
right
y'all.
here. Check in with Valentino
Gang,
and Splash.
gang.
We out.
Gang, gang.
Let's go.